Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will learn how to make a simple website step by step for free. And I'm also hosting a giveaway. Here are the rules. Rule number 1. The website must be hosted on GitHub. Rule number 2. Website must be built with Tailwind CSS. So to get eligible for this contest, you must watch the full video. You will only need a laptop with a stable internet connection. Here's the syllabus. We will first download and install VS Code. Next, we will start the coding part. And finally, we will host our website with the custom domain name for free. Now let's start the journey to build our responsible website. Guys, open your browser and open this link. This link is in the description. You can click it and check it out. Then click on download for Mac. If you are using Windows or Linux, it will show up your operating system name. Since I am using Mac, I will download it for Mac. It will take few seconds to download the VS Code. Meanwhile, you can like the video and subscribe our channel. We have now downloaded VS Code. Now let's open it. Click on the setup. It will first unzip the zipped file. Next, open your file browser and copy this application and paste it in applications. We have now successfully installed VS Code. If you are not using a Mac, go to their website and open this link. I have provided this link in the description. Then click on setup and select your operating system and read the instructions. Open VS Code and click on extensions. Then search live server and hit enter. Click on the first extension and then click on install. We have now installed live server. Now we will start the coding part. We will now first create a folder. Click on files and click on open. Next, create a new folder and name it as website 1 and click on create. Next, click on open. Click on this icon and name it as index.html and hit enter. Now press shift exclamatory mark and press tab. Open your browser and type Tailwind CSS and hit enter. Next, open the first link and click on get started. You must be wondering what is Tailwind CSS. In short, it is a CSS framework. Now scroll down and copy this line and go back to your VS Code and pasted it in the header. And don't forget to save this. Open your browser and type tail blocks and hit enter. Open the first link. We will first create a header. Now go to this website and scroll down till you find header. Here's the header. Select the header you like and click on view code. Now copy this code. Go back to your VS Code and paste the copied code inside body. Next, right click on the code and click on open with live server. Here is our website. Now something is missing. Yes, you are right. We have not added the content, gallery, contact us and footer. Before those things, we will change the name and the links. First, we will delete this icon. Go to your VS Code and delete this line CSVG and delete it. Now save this. We will now check the website. We have now successfully removed the icon. Next, we will change the header. Open the code and change this text to your name and save it. Now let's check the output. Go to your browser again. See, we have changed the header. Next, we will link these things with our social media. Go to VS Code again. Then first we will link it to GitHub. You can add whichever social media account you have. I will first add GitHub. After that, we will link it to GitHub account. Type href is equal to, open the quotes. Inside the quotes, type https://github.com/Gajesh2007. Next, we will do the same thing to others, but we will link it to different social media accounts. Now don't forget to save the changes. Now let's check the output. Here's the output. Whenever we click on these names, we will be directed to our social media accounts. We will now create a click to action button which will direct us to our email. Open your VS Code and type A and press tab. Now cut this text and paste it after button. Next we will link it to our email. Type mail to quotes, then your email address. In my case it is Gajesh robogajesh@gmail.com. Next we will change the button text to ping me. Now save the file and go back to your browser. Now click on ping me. Now this is the output. We have now created the first phase. Now let's do the second one. In the second phase, we will be creating the content. Go to Tails block and click on these three lines. Then scroll to contents. Now select one template. I will be selecting this one. Now click on view code. Copy this code. Open Visual Code. Next paste it after header. Now save the file. We will now first download a background. Open a new tab and type background and press enter. Now go to images and select one background. I will be selecting this one. Now right click on it and click on save image as. Now don't forget to create a image folder in your website folder. Now save that in the image folder. Next go to your VS Code and there will be a line named here's that line, image is equal to alt content. Now delete this line first and type image slash and select the image name. Now let's check the output. Go to your browser. Here's our output. Next we will change the profile pic. I will download one pic of mine. This pic is better. Now go to your VS Code and first delete this line SVG. Now type image and press tab. Next type img slash, then select your image location, and inside alt attribute type your name and save this file. Go back to your browser. Here's our profile pic. Now let's change this text. Go to your VS Code and delete this text and type your name. Save the file. We have now changed the name. Next we will change the brief description. Delete this line and type your brief information. I will type YouTuber, blogger, programmer, hacker, and chatbot developer, etc. Now save this file. We have now also changed the brief description. Next we will change this main description. You will be needing your description. I will copy my description from my official website. You can pause this video and type your description and resume it again. Now go to your Visual Code and delete this big line and paste your description. Next we will delete this learn more. Select this lines and press delete. We have now completed the second phase. Next we will start the journey to the next phase. Go to Tails block and search for gallery. Now select your template. I will be choosing this one, the third one. Click on view code and copy the code. Next go back to your VS Code and paste it after section. We will first change this to my gallery. Scroll up. Now select this line and click on delete. Now type my gallery. Even delete this line. Now let's check the output. Here's the output. Next we will add images here. Go to your Visual Code and search for images. Next, delete this line and type image slash your image location. Here's my first image. Next we will add more two images. Now after completing, save the file and go back to your browser. Here's are the three images. Next we'll add their names and descriptions. Go to VS Code and first of all delete the paragraph. Next, first I will name my category as awards. Felicitation at James recognized by People's High School. We have now changed the description and category for one picture. Let's now do this for more two. Here's the final output. Now let's delete these three images. Select line 393 and delete it till line 122. Now save the file. We have now successfully done the gallery part. We will now add contact us. Go to Tell block, scroll down to contact, Now select one template and click on view code. Now copy the code and paste it after section. Now save the file and go back to your website. We will now first delete this line and replace this button text to send. Delete the paragraph line and save the file. Next we will change the button name to send. Save the file again. Now let's check the final output. Next we will add our email and link the social media accounts. Type href is equal to open quotes. Inside the quotes, type again mail to quote your email address. We will now cut this address line. If you want to add your address, don't delete it. Now we will link to social media accounts. First, it is Facebook. I will link it to Facebook. Repeat the same procedure for the rest of the social media accounts. Now save the file. Delete this A tag, the last A tag, and save the file. Now go back to your browser and here's our output. Next we will add the footer. Go to tail block and search for footer. Now select a template for footer. I like this one, I will select this. Now click on view code and copy the code. Go back to VS Code. Now paste the code after section. We will now first change the text to our name and link it to our Twitter account or any other. First we will change the name to Gajesh Naik. Next we will this one for Gajesh Naik and type your username for the social media account. Next we will delete the logo. Now let's check the output. We will now delete this social media icons because we have already added in the header and contact us. Go to VS Code, scroll down to CSVG tag and delete it. This is now our final output. We have now successfully completed the coding part and created a website. Now we will host our website with a free custom domain name. Open your browser and type github.com and press enter. If you are new to GitHub, create a new account. In my case, I have already a GitHub account. So I will sign in. After signing in, click on new and name your repository. In my case, I will name it as Gajesh Naik.tk. Next, click on create repository. Next, click on create a new file or go back and click on uploading an existing file. Click on choose file and select your index.html file and click on open. Then click on commit changes. Next we will upload the images. Click on create a new file. Type img/sample and click on commit a new file. We have now created our images folder. Next we will upload the images. Select all the images and click on open. It will take few seconds to upload the images. Next click on commit changes. We have now successfully hosted our website. Next we will purchase a domain name for free. Go to freenom.com. I have provided a link in the description. Next click on sign in. Since I have an account, I have automatically signed in. If you don't have an account, click on sign in and uh, click on sign up and fill up your details. Next, click on services and select register a new domain. Next, type your name and click on check availability. Now select your domain name. Then click on checkout. Click on 3 months @free and select 12 months free. Open your GitHub repository and click on settings. Afterwards, scroll down and click on none and select master branch. Afterwards, type your custom domain name. In my case, it is gajeshnaik.tk and click on save. Go back to Freenom and click on use DNS. Next, type inside IP 185.199.108.153. Now copy this and paste it in the next blank box and cut the 109, 108 to 109. Next, click on continue. Next, click on I agree to the terms and conditions and click on complete order. We have now successfully purchased a domain name. Next, click here to go to your client area. Click on services, my domain. Next, here is my domain gajeshnaik.tk. Click on manage domains. Click on manage Freenom DNS. Afterwards, type www and replace this to 300 and paste the same line here and change 108 to 110 and click on save changes. Again, click on the blank box and type www and replace it to 300 and replace 108 to 111 and click on save changes. Next, type www again, then click on A and select CNAME and replace this to 300. Next, type your GitHub username. In my case, it is Gajesh 2007. After your username, type .github.io and click on save changes. Next, delete these www from type A and click on Save Changes. It will take few minutes to save the DNS records. Go to your GitHub settings and scroll down to GitHub pages and then refresh it again and again. After few minutes, you will see this message. Your website is published at and your username, domain name. After a few minutes, you will see this message. Your site is published at your domain name. Now let's check if it is hosted with its custom domain name. We have now successfully hosted our website with our free custom domain. Now let's enforce the HTTPS. Go to your repository settings and click on Enforce HTTPS. Now go back to your browser and refresh it. Here's the lock icon. Comment down your website URL with your contact details. I will end this giveaway on 9th June 2020. Thanks guys for watching my video. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel and do tweet this video.